Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to build a micro-scaled sandcastle with Lego bricks for today's tutorial. Let's start our sandcastle with a 4x4 plate. I'm going to place 4 2x2 jumper plates on top of the plate. The back 2 studs, a 1x3 plate, and a pair of 1x2 plates. Then right here, a 1x1 flat tile, and then I'm going to take 3 1x3 brick with arch. We're going to place these on top. Right in the center, a 1x3 flat tile and a pair of 1x3 jumper plates. This is going to help set our offset for our towers. Next, take 4 1x2x2 corner plates. I want to set this peg inside this tube up here, as shown. Then I'm going to continue on with the other 3 corner plates, where it looks like an H. And then a 2x2 round flat tile to lock all that together. For towers, take a 1x1 brick. I'm going to take a 1x1 by 2/3 pyramid tile. I'm going to make 4 of these. I'm going to place these in the 4 corners for little towers for our sandcastle.